Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate the Stock Analysis widget in your Edge desktop app. The Stock Analysis widget contains research tools powered by TipRanks that provide a look at key financial and fundamental details, including analyst ratings, news analysis, and the stock smart score. If you do not currently have Edge Desktop installed on your computer, please see the link in the description below to activate the Edge platform and download it. To get started, simply open Edge Desktop and log in with your Questrade account. Once you're logged in, you will notice a row of icons at the top of the screen. Let's go ahead and click the Stock Analysis icon. You will notice the widget opens to a certain size and position on the screen. Each widget can be resized and moved around to your own preference. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. Once the widget is opened, view the analysis of the stock you're interested in by typing it into the stock search bar at the top. In this case, we'll choose Apple. We will start with the Analyst Ratings tab, where you will see a table with information on all of the analysts that have given a recommendation on the stock. At the top of the tab, you'll see the overall analyst consensus on the left, which aggregates all of the analyst ratings from the last 3 months. On the right, you'll see the average analyst price target, shown both as a dollar and percentage value, and in a graph. You can see the individual analyst ratings below these graphs. Let's take a closer look at the analyst ratings section below. The left column shows the analyst's name. Next, the analyst's firm or publication is shown. You can also see the analyst's star rating. TipRanks developed a 3-tier unique proprietary formula to rank financial analysts. The 3 factors taken into account are the analyst's success rate, the average return per transaction, and statistical significance. To the right of their star rating, you can see the analyst's recommendation or position, and whether it's a buy, sell, or hold. The price target shows the price target issued for the recommendation. The action column shows whether the analyst has maintained or reiterated their earlier positions, upgraded or downgraded. The date shows what date the analyst has made their recommendation. You can also hover over an analyst's name to view more details about their recommendations and performance record. You'll see the analyst's success rate, which shows how many of their predictions had positive returns in the year following the rating. This is shown as a percentage of their overall ratings. In this example, Mr. Daryanani has made 481 recommendations, of which 276 had positive returns. You can also see the average return, which shows what the average rate of return was for this analyst's successful recommendations. The News Analysis tab aggregates analyst ratings, news sentiment, and media buzz to display a wealth of information to help you make more informed trading decisions. Displayed at the top of the News Analysis tab is the same analyst price target graph from the previous tab. Below the analyst price target and graph, you'll see the news sentiment score. Red indicates a higher percentage of bearish or negative news articles. Green indicates a higher percentage of bullish or positive news articles. You'll also see how your ticker compares to sector averages and the percentage of each type of article. Below, you'll see a list of news articles sorted by most recent. You can click to open them in a browser window for further reading. Sort articles by all news, bullish, or bearish. The Smart Score tab is where you will find a proprietary quantitative stock scoring system created by TipRanks. It rates stocks from 1 to 10 based on 8 key market factors. The lowest score is a 1, and the highest is 10. The scoring system works as follows. Stocks with a score of 1, 2, or 3 are considered to be underperforming. Stocks with a score of 4, 5, 6, or 7 are considered to be neutral. Stocks with a score of 8, 9, or 10 are considered to be outperforming. The score is data-driven and does not involve any human intervention. The 8 market factors that contribute to the rating are analyst ratings, blogger opinions, hedge fund activity, insider activity, TipRanks investors, news sentiment, technicals, and fundamentals. These 8 factors equally contribute to the rating, and each factor makes up 12.5% of the SMART score. The SMART score ranking is also relational. This means that once the score is calculated based on the 8 factors, the stocks are arranged from highest to lowest. The top ranking 4 or so % of stocks receive a SMART score of 10. The next 7% or so get a SMART score of 9, and so on. As the number of securities analyzed by TipRanks changes due to new coverage listings or IPOs, the stock score may also change, even if the 8 market factors remain the same. The Stock Analysis widget is a powerful research tool for staying informed about key financial and fundamental details related to a stock. You may regularly view key financial and fundamental analysis details to help you with your trading strategy and goals. We hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos on how to navigate Questrade Edge desktop, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.